Welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois. Phone number 815-849-9089. We're located right on US Route 52 in Sublette, Illinois, 61367. We're filming park models today. We're putting everything we got on the lot on YouTube for your enjoyment. This unit is a 2010 serial number 9939. It is a super bay. It's got a 20-foot long bay window on the side of it. Extra dormer. Take you for a walk around, tell you a little about it. It's a 2010. Its designation is a Quailridge 39Sbml-3T. MSRP is $49,784. We've got it on sale this week for $40,610. Several features in common to all these Quailridges. They have thermopane windows, triple axles, double loft, extra tall. They're 14 feet 6 inches tall, 35 feet long. The house type, back door in swinging is an option. Wherever you see those little round circles is where an outside light goes. All the Quailridge double lofts come with 4 outside lights. This one's a real pretty tan color, tan windows with green siding. You have a 20-gallon electric hot water heater, outside water spigot. There's your sewer and water connection. These are pre-wired for central air. They are not, central air is not included. You either buy one from me or you buy one from your local heating and air guy if you're out of town. That way you got somebody local to service your air conditioner. Okay, let's go on in, have a look inside. Everything in them stays in them. Dinette, 20-foot bay, gives us a nice spacious living room here. They all come with rocker or swivel. They all come with reclining chairs. That's standard for 2010. The sofa has a height of bed. Ceiling fan in the front room. The dormer window lets lots of light in. There's storage under the kitchen seats. Dining room hutch. Chandelier over the kitchen table. Base price on this unit $44,000. $5,600 worth of options makes it just shy of $50,000. MSRP. Got a high-rise double lever faucet with the sprayer, extra deep composite kitchen sink, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave with the built-in range hood, 16 cubic foot fridge, 56,000 BTU furnace, nice pantry here next to the fridge. There's your kitchen cabinets, silverware drawers and etc. Linoleum in the kitchen area. Have a look in the bathroom here. You've got a tub and a shower curtain, fiberglass tub surround, porcelain house stool. Back here in all of them, there's a towel closet, towel/linen closet, sink, granite-like countertops, vanity, medicine cabinet. Oh my my camera's telling me my battery's dying. I want to get to the bedroom before it dies. His and hers wardrobe, beautiful ash wood. Let's head for the upstairs. You can walk around upstairs. It's about almost 5 foot tall on the tall side. It's a TV jack for the kids to have a TV up here. This serves as a playhouse for the kids, sleeping area for kids or adults. Got your own closets up here. There's the loft. I'll come across here, take in the whole front room. Overhead lighting for the kitchen. Nice big front room. Okay, head back downstairs. I've already given you a look around, and we're past the 6-minute mark. Seems I've got a dead battery. So anyhow, come and see us. Tell you one last time, this is a 2010 Quailridge Super Bay double loft. MSRP is almost $50,000. You can buy this one for $40,610. Its designation is 2010 Quailridge Sbml-3T. Come and see us at Kelly Hicks Construction. We're located right on US Route 52 in north central Illinois. Feel free to give us a call anytime or shoot us an email. Our phone number is 815-849-9089. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy.